What's up, students? Mr. Harrison here from science class at school. I wanted to make a quick video to walk you through the process of getting logged into our first Google Meet session this year. Wednesdays, we're going to have live Google Meet sessions every Wednesday for the foreseeable future. So let me just walk you through how to do that process. This is your homepage. It's what you should see. On the links on the bottom, scroll your cursor over to the link that is second from the right, which is called Google Meet. Click on that. And once the Google Meet page opens up, you'll see a nice handy dandy chart that's broken down by period, time, and nickname. You're going to have to use this nickname to get into the Google Meet. So if you look at your schedule that was either mailed home or that you picked up, whether you're in person or even distance learners, the WPS Connection students, you should all be assigned to a specific class period for physical science. You need to find out what that period is. Most of you, I'm assuming, already know that. And you're going to find your period on this chart. It's all color coded. So let's just say you're assigned to fourth period physical science. If your fourth period, that's right here, that means your Google Meet time is 12:30 p.m. You're going to go over to the nickname and you're going to copy and paste it. You can either press Control-C or you can right click like this. Whoops. And then click copy. Let me try that again. Copy. All right. Then you're going to go to your email page or Google, open up the waffle, as we call it. You're going to scroll down on the waffle to this thought bubble that has a camera in it, and it's called Meet. And you're going to click that. And then you're going to click Join or Start a Meeting. And then you're going to enter the meeting code. So if I copy pasted incorrect, it should be Harrison-4 for this week. Then you're going to click Continue. Now that meeting hasn't been officially started yet. So you won't be able to join yet because it hasn't started yet. But that's how you're going to join the meeting. And just make sure that when you are in that meeting, that you are being respectful at all times, that you are only using the chat function to ask questions and not to say hi to your friends. As long as you are just generally respectful and do a good job of staying on task, there'll be a great opportunity for you to ask me any questions, both about Google Meet in general, but also about Canvas. And then again, about different assignments that you might have been confused on. I've gotten a lot of emails already. So I'll have a few announcements based on that. But yeah, it's just a great way this week specifically where you can ask a bunch of your questions that you have. I will be taking attendance on this. So make sure that you at least get logged in. And then if you don't have questions, I'll set you free to go. But I will be taking attendance based on who's signed in. So just be aware of that. Other than that, if you need help finding out which period you're in science, go ahead and send me an email at, let's see if I can find it right here. I think it's right up here, Harrison, Harasyn at wps.k12.va.us. That's also probably automatically going to populate once you start typing my last name into the email. But if you need which class you are officially assigned to, especially distance learners, please contact me. I'll get that to you because I have access to that as well. Other than that, I look forward to talking to you a little later today.